Hello people from the other side, welcome to a new video as I vandalize this bathroom. Yes, that's right. Oh, wait, actually no. I just have maybe some bad head. That's right, I got bad head and that means it's time to badly clean this hair. I'm going to use this Color Goddess of a Bad Head shampoo. It says oil infused for colored hair. It doesn't have red colors in it like the last shampoo I've been using for a few months now. But this one I thought I'd try because I forgot to bring my other one. And why not vandalize my hair while I vandalize all that oils, all that dirt, and clean it up. That's right. So let's gotta get in there before the police come. Let's run into the bathroom right now. Into the shower. Into it now. Oh, go. Let's get the shower on. Let's get this vandalism ready. Let's do it now. Did you hear the police, right? So that means I gotta do it soon before they get here. How do I turn this thing on?
3 hours later.
Come on! Come on, Hannah!
As the video gets very, very steamy, and you can't see a thing. However, she's washing her hair. This redhead in her natural habitat is washing her hair. She is washing her hair very, very interestingly. However, you can't see a thing in her natural habitat. Sounding like, not exactly like St. Edinburgh, where it is a mean, angry creature washing her hair in her natural habitat. Oh yes, you see the red hair as the water comes down. Yes, yes, a dangerous creature in her environment. Anyway, how's it feel, the shampoo?
Fine, it smells like dessert. It smells like a creamy dessert, like what we ate last night, which was a custard tart.
Yeah, she smells like one too.
Yes, it does. Do you smell it too?
Yep.
So does cameraman. Well, there we go. It's been like about a month, I would say, since I got that shampoo and have been using it every time I wash my hair and everything. It's great, 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 combined with my colored shampoo that actually has color in it to add red, some of the semi-permanent, what semi-permanent has, back into my hair. But even like using it occasionally by itself, it's very nice and everything. I know it's like less harsh to the hair of being dyed and all that kind of stuff, especially so it doesn't put too much harshness on it, because the dyes that I put in my hair do that to an extent and everything and all that. But yeah, I would have to say it's really, really good. One thing that it keeps making me want every single time I go wash my hair and everything is I want a custard tart. Keeps making me think, ooh, let's go to M&S and have a custard tart, because they have some very, very, very tasty custard tarts. Yes, they do. I love them. And that's a little treat I like to do occasionally and all that. But yeah, I'm really liking how it makes my hair nice and everything, combined with all my other stuff, as well as some conditioner. And for me, I always use the conditioners that come with my hair dyes, because it just makes the most sense. So yeah, with all in all, my hair is feeling nice. Also, with that added into my hair routine and all that. So, as I would say, looking cool. And as I keep vandalizing my hair with it, and it vandalizes it so well, I'm happy with it. So with all that in mind, I will see you in the next video. Till next time, bye.